In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can download and print a PDF booklet. So first things we're going to do is head up to design, and we're just going to type in here PDF booklet, and we'll see what is available in the Canva library. Okay, so there's quite a few for us to choose from there. So I think we'll choose this summer booklet. That looks quite nice and fun. So now we can see that that is a Canva Pro feature. However, there were other options that aren't Canva Pro. So if we choose this one isn't Canva Pro. So if it has a crown, that's Canva Pro. If it doesn't, then it is on the free version. If you would like to try Canva Pro for free, then there is a link in the description. If you click on the link, then that will give you a free 30-day trial for Canva Pro to try out all the features that it has to offer. So here we can see now we've got a wellness booklet, so we can skip through and we can see all the different pages. So if you are using a template that's inside the Canva library, then you can just select the ones that you want and discard the ones you don't. Likewise, if you're creating your own documents, you can either create them inside of Canva or you can upload them to Canva to use. So that's only showing page one. If we want to add all the other pages, then we just need to select the add page option, and then we can scale through and add all the different pages that are contained within the booklet. Once we've added all the pages and we're happy with that, we can retitle it. So we are just going to put wellness booklet. That's just going to help us identify it when we've downloaded it. Then we need to head over to share. Now we can see we've got other options, so we're just choosing the download option, and for the file type we need to choose PDF print, which is best for printing. So here we can see now it's selected the file type, crop marks and bleed. We can flatten the PDF, we can include notes. It's showing all the selected pages, so pages 1 to 9. The color profile, RGB is saying is best for digital. We need to select CMYK, which is best for printing. You can tick to save the settings. If you're going to be doing lots of PDF printing, then you can save those settings. Then select download. Once that's downloaded, you can click to open that, and that will open that in your PDF reader. So mine was opened in Acrobat, and then you're able to scroll through and just double check that everything is as you want it to be. Then we are now going to select Command P, and that is going to bring us up the screen to print it. Then we can go through all the information on here. So it's going to print my OfficeJet Pro printer, going to do all the pages. We can alter the size, and we can print on both sides of the paper if we wish, and we can make any alterations there. And if we're happy with it, then select print, and that will print your PDF document. And that's an easy way of downloading a PDF document out of Canva and being able to print it. Don't forget to click the link in the description and try out Canva Pro for free, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon.